Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் when lilacs last in the dooryard bloomed அப்படின்ற ஒரு ஒர்க்ல இருந்து ஒரு 25 questions நான் அப்லோட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். இப்போ வாங்க நம்ம டைரக்டா வீடியோக்குள்ள போயிடலாம். நீங்களும் ஒரு பென் அண்ட் பேப்பர் எடுத்து ஆன்சர்ஸ் மார்க் பண்ணிட்டே வாங்க. லாஸ்ட்ல நான் கொடுத்துருக்கிற ஆன்சரோட கிராஸ் செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Number first question. The trinity of the lilacs, western star and the hermit bird is really a series of dash. Number 2. The drooping western star is an example of. Number 3. When death is depicted as a dark mother, that technique is called dash. Number 4. The kind of verse Walt Whitman used for when lilacs last in the dooryard bloomed is called. Number 5. The speaker's recurring instances of addressing death directly is called dash. Number 6. The lilacs on that tall, the growing bush is part of the poem's theme dash. Number 7. The fallen western star is really just a symbol reflecting the speaker's feeling of. Number 8. Death as a unifying force undulating below the earth is a part of the speaker's take on the theme of dash. Number 9. For fresh as the morning, thus would I chant a song for you dash. Number 10. Dark Mother. Number 11. Walt Whitman isn't a kind of poet who likes to throw a bunch of dash into his work. Number 12. Which company published When Lilacs Last in the Dooryard Bloomed in 1865? Number 13. Dash and lilacs become part of the 1867 edition of Leaves of Grass, an expanding collection of Whitman's poem. Number 14. Blue lilacs symbolize. Number 15. Magenta lilacs symbolize. Number 16. White lilacs symbolize. Number 17. Wilkes had shot him in the back of the dash while Lincoln was in the presidential box. Number 18. In the presidential box watching the third act of a play dash. Number 19. When was the play published which was watched by Lincoln? Number 20. The lilacs are on the bush in a yard in front of dash. Number 21. The green leaves of the bush are shaped like. Number 22. The burial place of Walt Whitman. Number 23. Which of these are not on the wall of Tom? Number 24. Which of these are not the vision of the speaker? Number 25. Hermit's bird song is the song of dash. ஸோ இப்போ உங்கள் ஆன்சர்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையுமே வந்து மார்க் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்கன்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன். உங்கள் ஆன்சர்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையுமே செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 3, 2, 1 and your answer is number 1. The trinity of the lilacs, western star and hermit bird is really a series of symbol. The drooping western star is an example of figurative language. When death is depicted as a dark mother, that technique is called personification. The kind of verse Walt Whitman used for when lilacs last in the dooryard bloomed is called free verse. The speaker recurring instances of addressing death directly is called apostrophe. The lilacs on that tall growing bush is part of poem's theme perseverance. The fallen western star is really just a symbol reflecting the speaker's feeling of admiration. Death as a unifying force modulating below the earth is a part of the speaker's take on the theme of mortality. For fresh as the morning, thus would I chant a song for you, O sane and sacred death. Dark mother, always gliding near with soft feet. Number 11. Whitman isn't the kind of poet who likes to throw a bunch of fancy words and philosophies into his work. Number 12. Which company published When Lilacs Last in the Dooryard Bloomed in 1865 is Gibson Brothers. Then the sequel of Drum Taps and Lilacs become part of the 1867 edition of Leaves of Grass, expanding collection of Whitman's poem. Blue lilacs symbolize happiness and tranquility. Magenta lilacs symbolize love and passion. White lilacs symbolize purity and innocence. Wilkes had shot him in the back of the head while Lincoln was in the presidential box. In the presidential box watching the third act of a play, Our American Cousin. When was the play published which was watched by Lincoln in 1852? The lilacs are on a bush in a yard in front of an old farmhouse. The green leaves of the bush are shaped like heart. Number 22. The burial place of Walt Whitman, New Jersey. Which of these are not on the wall of Tom? Lincoln photo. Which of these are not in the vision of the speaker? Alive soldiers. Hermit bird song is the song of the poet. I hope so உங்களுக்கு இந்த 25 questions உங்களுக்கு வந்து யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்திருக்கும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணி ஷேர் பண்ணி சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. All the best for your exam.